This is SpeakUp, an SPL meter, an app designed for Android operating systems. SpeakUp is designed for people that need assistance modulating or increasing their speaking volume. Users have the ability to select a training guide, use logs, or go right into the main application page from the home screen. The training guide takes the user through step-by-step instructions on how to use the app. Clicking the B image opens up the level adjustment screen. For now, we'll select the Keep Defaults button. This launches the main application screen. This screen shows a B that moves vertically along the screen based on my relative speaking decibel volume. The goal is for the user to speak within the gray or green color zone. As I increase my speaking volume, the B moves upwards. Decreasing my speaking volume allows the B to move down. The vertical color zones on the left side of the screen are static, but their relative ranges can be updated in the level adjustment screen. This allows for the user to change the app to fit their needs. The default settings are 39 decibels for the lower cutoff, corresponding to the location between the yellow and green color zones, and 70 decibels represents the region between the green and red color zones, or the upper cutoff. The user can change these values by simply typing into the Too Low Level Maximum text box and the Great Level Maximum text box. The top text box corresponds to yellow-green cutoff, while the bottom text box corresponds to the green-red cutoff. Here I'll type in a dramatic example to demonstrate how the app adjusts. I'll enter 70 for the lower cutoff and 100 for the upper cutoff. Hitting Next takes us to the main application page. Now, in order to get the B into the gray or green color zone, I must speak much louder than before. This is useful for users that have gained more control over their speaking volume. Any numbers can be entered for the level adjustments based on user need. On this page, the user also has the option to calibrate the app. Although calibration is not needed for everyday use, some clinicians might prefer for exact measurements. To calibrate the app, a sound pressure level meter is required. Calibration instructions are detailed in the training guide. In the level adjustment screen, we also have the ability to change the background by clicking on the slider indicator at the top of the screen. This makes the app more appropriate for adult users. Clicking the slider again resets the app back to the B layout. On the home screen, clicking on Logs brings up all of the use logs for the application. This is useful for users because they are able to track progress between uses and over time. If desired, sessions can be deleted by typing in the ID number in the text box and clicking Delete.